Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling legal proof and the device. Locate the original receipt or invoice with the serial/MA. Apple will require it. Once done, make sure you have the Apple ID email for the current account or the ability to contact the previous owner. Connect the iPhone or iPad to a computer with the latest iTunes or Finder, and keep the device charged at least half full. These preparations save time and prove you're the rightful owner when you contact Apple. You next contact Apple support and request activation assistance. Explain you possess lawful ownership and want activation lock removed. Be ready to upload or read purchase details, the device serial/MA, and a photo ID if they ask. If the prior owner is reachable, have them sign in at iCloud. Choose Find My, select the device, and remove it. This is the fastest route. Once Apple verifies documents, they will guide you through the official removal process rather than any risky bypass. You finish by following Apple's confirmation steps. If they complete the removal, you'll receive instructions or a support ID to reference. Then restore the device via Finder or iTunes by selecting Restore to reinstall iOS and trigger the activation sequence. You should be able to set up with your Apple ID. If activation still blocks, escalate with the Apple Support ID and the original documents. This one troubleshooting tip,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.